So to start the first Java code, we should go to our code software. I'm using Visual Studio. So Visual Studio. If you're not using Visual Studio, there is no problem. You can use any coding software. But if you want to install Visual Studio, I have guided in my previous video. Just go back to my previous video and find the Visual Studio setup guide, and you will be able to install after watching the video. Okay, so let's create a new file. To create a new file, we should write a name. I'm giving a name first code. Okay, we are to save it. I'm saving in download it first code dot java. Okay, now to start a Java code, we should write the Java class. Our Java class name and our file name must be same, otherwise our code is not working. So my class name is a first code. To open a class, we should give such a brackets here. This is to open and this is to close our brackets. Now I created my class. After creating a class, we should give a method. Okay, for now don't worry what is class, what is method. We are going to describe those things. To create a method, we should write public static void main inside brackets string args. The same like for class, we should give open and close these brackets. Okay, now I created my method. Now it's time to start our code here. I wanna print a sentence. How to print a sentence? To print a sentence, we should write System.out.println. Okay. In this place, hello world. Okay. Now my code is completed. To run this code, we should go to these three dots, terminal, new terminal. Okay, before running the code, we should compile it. To compile the code, we should write Java. After that, we are writing C, meaning compile, and after that, we should write our code's file name. I am writing first code.java. Okay, now it show an error message. It means file not found. It first code Java. Okay, now we should go to our this code file where we have saved this one. To go our file, I am going to download first code, Control C. I want to save this file in my D file and place here. In this D file, I have my code. Okay, I am going back to Visual Studio, and now To find our code, we should write the define by d, after that two dots. Okay, now I'm in define. Now java c first code.java. Now it's compiled and didn't give any error message. After compiling, we can run it. First code. Okay, during the running we don't need to write .java again. We have run our code and got our sentence. Okay, hello world. This was the first sentences. For instance, you want to add two numbers. To add two numbers, we are giving a variable, integer variable, and after variable we should give a name a and a price. Its price is 5. Okay, I'm also giving another variable, integer. Its name is b and its value is 7. Okay, now to add this, we can add this by different ways. The first way, to just add a plus b. Okay, now to add these two numbers, I am writing a plus b, and here before running we are compiling it. First code.java. Okay, java. Now we are running it. Java first code. Now here you see 12. We added a plus b. Now we can also make another method, integer result is equal to a plus b here, and just write Control C in this place. Okay, now it must give the same answer, but remember, for the first time we are compiling after updating our code. Java C first code.java. Now we are running first code. You see here I got 12 again. Now when I change the price of a number, for example I'm giving 10, in this place java C first code.java. Now we are running java first code. You see here 17. Okay, now we wrote the basic code. Now you know how to write a sentence in Java code, how to add two numbers, or if you want to write another operation, mathematical operation, you can do. There is no problem. Java see first code.java first code dot. Okay, there is no need. Now you see 3. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. The same you can do multiplication, division, any mathematical operation are working here. Okay, now there is no need to give details about these things, let's know what is class, what is first code, what is public, what is static, and we should speak about this. To speak about these, I'm going to describe it now. Okay, this is the Java main methods. What is Java main method? You know, here in this code, after class we are writing this sentence. In this sentence I told you this is the main method. Inside main method we are doing our code, we are writing our code. Anything we want we can write it inside the main method. Okay, every Java program must include a main method. It is where the program being running. Okay, now currently brackets, these are the brackets that we opened and closed the brackets. I told you here for the method, also for the classes, we are opening the classes and closing it again. Okay, system.out.println, this is the tag, this is the command that print a text for you in the screen. What is system here in this part? System is a built-in Java class. Out, a member of system, short for output, and print len, a method, short for print line. Okay, now here is the question. Some people here write print len. What does len mean? Len mean, for example, here if I write a sentence, I'm cleaning it, I'm writing I'm a student. Okay, and I also want to print another sentence, but you are a worker. In this place, now if we run this code, Java C first code dot Java first code. Now here you see I am a student but you are a worker. The two sentences combined in one line. The benefit of ln is here that after printing the first sentences, the next sentence will not combine to the first sentence. Now if we see the result, Java C first code Java first code. Here we see I am a student but you are a worker. The second sentence came under the first sentence. Here was the benefit of ln. The last reminder, every Java statement must end with semicolon. See here after printing the sentences I added a semicolon. Here too I added a semicolon. If I don't write semicolon, it will make an error and I will not get my result. Java C, I am trying to see the result but I can't. Java C first code dot Java. we got here an error message. It's a first code Java 6 error semicolon expected System.out.println, but you are a worker. Here I say in line 6, okay, in line 6 in these sentences a semicolon expected. It means you didn't add it a semicolon, but it is expected. Okay, now it is working. Now if you run it, it will work and there will be no problem. It is okay.